Welcome back to this course. Chidalu here. So this would be a continuation of our class. In today's class, we'll be talking about how to do your fundamental analysis on coins that you will be buying for your spot trading. All right. Remember, I said there some people trade futures, right? On some people trade crypto futures trading. Some people are spot traders. All right, so buying a coin when it's low and waiting for it to go into a higher price and selling, that is basically spot trading. All right, so you are acquiring a coin at a specific quantity, right, and holding it for a long time. All right, 3 months, 6 months, 1 year, more than 1 year, and so on and so forth. Okay, so there are some things. First and foremost, there are some apps that you need to download. Don't worry, all the links you need to download all of the apps you will be needing, and also the exchanges you will be needing. I'm going to be dropping all the registration links somewhere around the course, so you can quickly get it. All right, but these are the apps that I majorly use to make my own findings or make my research about a coin. All right, even if you are being handed a signal for a particular coin, right, it is important that you know, because you are an investor, it is important that you know how to analyze a coin and be sure and be convinced that it is a coin you want to buy. It's not just a case of somebody calling a coin for you and you're just going to buy, right? There are some things you need to look out for. So like you saw, I just clicked on coin market cap. You can use CoinGecko, coin market cap, or crypto.com, but I most times use coin market cap. Okay, I most times use coin market cap. All right, so it's just like an overview of what all of the coins are doing at a particular given time. All right, it is called coin market cap. I'm going to be dropping the link so that you can sign up with it. All right, somewhere around the course I will drop it somewhere around the course. All right, so you can see BTC. You will see the name of a coin, the current price of the coin, what it has been doing in the last 1 hour, the percentage that has been doing since the last hour. All right, you can actually change all of that. You can see BTC, ETH. You can see USDT, you can see BNB, Solana, and so on and so forth. All right, you can see all of the coins that you would like to buy. All right, so that is it. So let us get right onto it. What do you look out for when you want to, let's assume that somebody called a coin for you, all right, and you want to make your analysis. For the purpose of this class, I'm going to be using a particular coin, all right, that was called some time ago. All right, I'm going to be using a particular coin that let's look at a coin called cock. Let's look at a coin called cock. All right, so if you get a coin, you can see that the coin is showing you. Look at this is like an overview of what the coin is doing. All right, there you see the community. If you want to get into the Telegram or the Discord community of a particular coin or a token, fine and good. If you want to check out the latest news about it, if you want to check the market that it is trading, then this is your portfolio, how much of it you hold. All right, historical data, and so on and so forth. All right, so let's go back to the overview. All right, so you can see right here, this particular amount, this price here is like telling you what a particular coin is doing at a particular given time. All right, it's telling you what a coin is doing or a token is doing at a particular given time. Okay, so you can change the time frame. Let's say I want to see what this coin KOK has been doing the last 1 hour. Click on 1 hour. I want to see what it has been doing in the last 24 hours. I click on 24 hours. I want to see what it has been doing, what price it has been ranging within the last 7 days. Fine, I can do that. I want to see what it has been doing in the last 30 days, and so on and so forth. If I want to see all the activities that it has been that has been carried out on the coin from the inception of from when the developers of the coin made the coin down to the present day. You can just click on all. You see what the coin has been doing, how many bull runs it has seen, and so on and so forth. Okay, so that is it. All right, so first things first, what do you look out for? All right, these are like the checklist. You can get a pen and a book down. You can get a pen and a book down and jot these things down. So number one, check the total supply of a particular coin. You scroll down, scroll down, scroll down, scroll down, scroll down. You can see the total supply. All right, total supply is the total amount of a particular coin, right, that was made. All right, sometimes I also look at the circulating supply, because sometimes the total supply is not the amount of supply that is being circulated. The total amount of your country's currency. You know, there are some that are circulating. You know that there are some that was just printed and kept. So the circulating supply, and that's exactly what it means. There are some that have not been pushed out, or there are some that will not even be pushed out. All right, some will just go into halving, some they will burn the rest, and so on and so forth. So some developers of some coins, they actually burn some of the coin if they want to reduce the total supply. Remember that I always say crypto thrives on the forces of demand and supply. So most coins, especially coins that have a strong backing, that have strong developers, right, that know what they are doing, they may decide to burn a particular coin, decide to burn some quantity of a particular coin. The essence of it is just that little amount of that coin will be in circulation. And when little supply of a coin is in circulation, guess what? It is most likely, I didn't say all the time, most likely to shoot up the price of a particular coin. So that is the first thing you look out for. There are some that just have only total supply. They don't show you any circulating supply. That shows you that the total supply is everything that they have pushed into circulation, right? But these ones that show you total supply and also show you circulating supply, it is simple understanding that a part of that coin, an amount of that coin has been pushed out for circulation, and the rest is just dormant one place. Maybe the developers have the intent to burn it all or half it, just like Bitcoin does every 4 years. Like I explained what Bitcoin halving is in the last, I think in my last 4 or 5 videos. So if you have not watched it, go and check that out. Okay, so that is one thing. All right, we want we want either the circulate, if it has a circulating supply, we want the circulating supply to be as small as possible. In this case, 107, you can see it here, 107 million circulating supply. It is good. All right, it is good that the supply is not so much. All right, so that the lesser the supply, the greater the chances of that coin doing parabolic moves. All right, if the total supply is much, right, or the circulating supply is much, it will require so much money for that token to move well, like to increase parabolically. And that's what we want it to move in an insane manner. All right, so that investors will make good returns on their capital, right? At times, the fewer the total supply, the better. All right, if you see a token with trillions of supply, be careful. All right, except you have been following the coin for a while and the developers have maybe announced their intent to burn some of the coins. If a coin has trillions of supply, it does not make any sense for trillions of that particular coin to be in circulation. It will take a lot for that coin to make any sense, for it to have any value, because it is too much in the market. I hope if you, like I said, if you have done simple economics in secondary school, some of these things should not be like too odd for you to understand. All right, then secondly, check the time frame. Right, check the time frame. Like I've explained the time frame before. Right, I've explained the time frame before. Check the 1 hour time frame, check the 24 hours time frame, check all time high, check everything about time frame that concerns that particular coin, right? Check what the coin has been doing, right? The reason you are checking is just to see the progress of the coin, so that you will know where to position yourself. The reason you are checking the progress of that coin is just so that you will know where to position yourself. Check the all-time high. You can see that I have rushed and I've clicked on all-time high. So all-time high, rather, this is all-time high, means what is the highest price that coin has ever touched since when it was created, since when it was developed. What is the highest? Every coin has its all-time high and all-time low. What is the lowest amount that it has gotten to? What is the highest amount that it has gotten to? All right, it will also help you see where you can position yourself, right? It will help you to see how cheap that coin can get compared to its high price. All right, so a coin, look at this particular coin, come down here, you can see that its all-time high here is $6.945, and right now this coin is at $0.007975. It means that anybody who is buying this coin at this particular time, all right, you are buying it at a very, 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 very discounted price. So let's assume that, okay, you can also place your hand on the screen and see when okay, let me do this. You can see when exactly, you can see right here where my cursor is. It is showing that there was a time this coin hit $5.416. That was, you can see at the top left corner there, you can see where it's saying January. Okay, it is showing January 26, 2022, 1 a.m. So as at January 26, 2022, this coin hit $5. All right, this coin has touched $5 before, and right now you are seeing it as 0.000. What did I say about not buying coin at the top? What did I say about buying a coin when it is red? All right, I said buy a coin, especially when you have done your research on that coin. Buy a coin when nobody is talking about it. So let's assume that in the coming bull run of 2024-2025, let's assume that for whatever reason, this coin does not hit $5 again. Sorry, the all-time high is $6. So almost $7. 6.9 is like $7, right? So let's call it $6 first. Let's assume that for some reason that something terrible happened, and this coin did not go back to $6 that it used to be as its all-time high. Right, it just managed to hit half of that, $3. Remember, you are getting it at a discounted price of 0.007. all right, use your calculator and check. Right, let me get my other device. Use your calculator. So let's say I get that cork coin. Let's say I just only have $20 to spare. All right, and I am getting it at the price of 0.0079. all right, guess what? It is showing that I am going to be getting 2,531 pieces of that coin. All right, and this is what because I am buying at a very discounted price, I'm going to be getting 2,531 quantity of that coin, right? And let's say for it is the bull run was so terrible for this coin and it did not move as much as I anticipate for it to move, or let's say it did not move the way other coins were moving, all right, and it just hit half, right? That's half of its all-time highs. Likely, I'm just saying, because it can actually get to $6 and even shoot higher than $6, all right, but I'm just saying worst case scenario, all right, it gets to only $3. I multiply the quantity I have by 3, all right, that's $7,594 from an initial investment of $20. Why am I getting this crazy insane amount of return on investment, because I bought at a very 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 discounted price. Not when because when this coin maybe starts to hit $1 or $2, right, or $3, you now see everybody start making noise about it. That is not you start seeing people making noise and people asking, can I buy now, can I buy now? Those people are buying very close to the top, but because you had knowledge of it, but because you have done your research before, because you have found out about the coin when so much noise was, when the coin did not have so much attention, so much publicity, all right, because you are getting it at a discount, you have made $20 to $7,000. That's like that's like 1,400%. If my mathematics is correct, that's like 14,000 or 1,400 percent return on investment. So that's exactly how it works. All right, that is exactly how it works. All right, so there are other coins I'll be dropping, but just know this, I am also adding this to my bag. I think I've already bought some quantity already, but I'm going to be adding more of this coin. So the earlier you find out about a coin, the better for you. All right, then speaking about analysis, one more thing, also check the market cap. All right, market capital, that's what you can see it here. Market cap. All right, if the market cap of a particular coin is too big, your chances of making it big with that coin is slim. All right, what it means is the total amount of money that coin holds on different exchanges and different wallets. All right, it is you can see it's $855,651. All right, this can easily triple. Even if this particular amount does times 5, it is still not too much, right? It's still not an insane amount. So it means that if you buy now, right, if this market cap multiplies by 5, it means your capital has also multiplied. That's this your $20 has also multiplied. So yes, if the market cap is small, right, it's small, this one is even less than $1 million. So, and you remember that the altcoins bull run is not here yet. I think it is Bitcoin now that is still doing its thing, just dancing around 68k, 69k, 67k. All right, after that then comes the altcoins bull run. All right, so volume. Okay, before we go to volume, let me explain more about the market cap. Right, let's say a coin is currently at $5 and the market cap is like $60, right, $60 million. All right, $60 million. Let's say a coin is currently at $5 price that you are seeing it, right, and its market cap is about $60 million. It means that for the coin to get to 10 million, for that coin to move from $5 to $10, it first of all means that the market cap must be up to $120. That's double the market cap. All right, so for that your capital that you have invested in that coin to double, it means the market cap too has to double. So let's assume that you find a coin that its market cap is in billions. For your money, it will be very difficult for, it happens, but it will be very difficult for, let's say it is 100 billion that you are seeing. All right, or let's say it is 1 billion that you are seeing. Let's keep it small. Let's say it is 1 billion that you are seeing as market cap, and a coin is as at $5 when you are looking at it. It means that for your capital of $10 to multiply, as in for your capital to multiply, it means that the market cap too, another 1 billion has to be added to what you are seeing. All right, and not too many coins have the opportunity to have billions like that keep running into the coin, all right, or the token. So it is better that if the market cap is small, the greater chances of it multiplying and tripling is big. Do you understand? So all those coins that are like 500, you see some coins that the market cap is 500 million, 1 billion market cap, and so on and so forth. It will take too much money for that coin to move an inch. But this one now that is less than $1 million, this one is about 85. How much do you think this thing can still do times 10? Because if you multiply this times 10, it's just like maybe 8 million. 8 million. There are so many coins now that are on 8 million market cap. But if it is at 500 million, 1 billion, it will take a lot. It will take a lot more money for it to move any inch. All right, it will take a lot for it to move any. So be careful. If it is at 1 billion or one very insane price, it will take, if it is at 1 billion, it will take like another 1 billion for your investment to even double. So it does not make any sense. It is better that it is small, a small amount, right? Not too small though, not too small, not too small. All right, so that is it, right? That is it. Then another thing you should look out is the volume. The volume is, it is always showing volume 24 hours. It means in the last 24 hours, right, $415,536 has been traded. It means people are buying and selling the coin. People are trading it, right? If you see a coin that, it shows that this particular coin, people are interested in it, right? People are actually trading it with their money, buying and selling the coin. So it shows you that yes, something is happening. People still believe in the coin. It shows you the interest of the people, how much people are buying and selling the coin in the last 24 hours. All right, if a coin is not at a period of building, right, if it is not at the building stage or the beginning stage, right, and the price and the volume is not large, watch out for that coin, right? Be careful of that coin, right? The only excuse is for maybe when they are in the building stage, because when they are in the building stage, the price will probably not move too much because it is in the building stage. But once a coin is not at building stage, it does not have any excuse not to at least have people who are trading it, who are interested in it. All right, who are interested in it. If people are not buying into a coin, it means that people do not really have interest. And it is when people have interest in a coin that you have bought, that is when you are most likely to make profit from a particular coin. All right. Now, number 5, I think I've mentioned max supply before, but then let me just get into it. Max supply, it is the highest amount of a coin that the developers of that coin can ever produce. The lower the supply, the better, right? Then you compare the max supply, the total supply, with the circulating supply. All right, with the circulating supply. So another thing you should also look at is the all-time high. All right, make sure that everything I'm saying ticks the checklist. You tick your checklist before you buy into a coin. All right, also you can check the all-time high and all-time low. All right, you can click on it. It will show you the time it did its all-time high. You can see this one, the all-time low is 0.004098, and that happened on the 22nd of November 2023. The all-time high is February 26, 2022. All right, where it did $6.9. All right, so you can see, you can actually check everything about a particular coin, right? Also, you can check its ranking on CoinMarketCap. CoinMarketCap is this app that I'm on right now that is showing you every single thing about a particular coin, okay, about different coins. All right, so check the ranking. This one ranks at 1717. Is also good, right? It's also good. Then you can check where the coin is buying and selling, right? Let's go to market. You can see here at the top right corner, let me click on market. This is where you see all the exchanges or the the exchanges, whether centralized or decentralized exchanges that a particular coin is trading on. So you can buy COC against USDT, right? On KuCoin, there's a decentralized exchange called KuCoin. I'm going to be dropping all the links that you need to sign up for all of the coins, for all of the exchanges, right? And the volume that is being traded, I'm explaining what this is. The volume that is being traded on KuCoin is $150,547 as at the last 24 hours. You can see the volume there, 24 hours. So COC against USDT is also trading on Bybit. COC against USDT is also trading on BitGet. COC against USDT is also trading on Gate.io. COC against USDT is also number 5, is also trading on HTX. COC against ETH, and so on and so forth. All right, so it's going to be showing you how high or low the volume of a particular coin is being traded on every exchange that it is trading. All right, this is where you see all the exchanges that a particular coin that you are interested in, where they are trading. All right, so that is it, right? I hope there's nothing else I'm forgetting, right? You see all the exchanges that are trading that coin, right? And don't buy blindly, right? It is best you you trade where others are, where it has large volume. All right, like in this instance, I can trade on KuCoin, I can trade on Gate.io, right? If I also see where it is trading on a decentralized exchange, I would prefer that, right? If the volatility there is high, if liquidity is high, if people are trading much on the decentralized exchange, I will even prefer that to the centralized exchanges, right? Look out for the exchange that has the highest volume. Also, preferably you choose a market that uses a decentralized exchange. All right, so that centralized exchanges don't fold with your money. Okay, so it is safer. If you still do not find a decentralized exchange where it is trading, no problem, you can use the centralized exchange, right? You can use the centralized exchange. All right, then something else, one last thing, right? Scroll down and read the use case. Scroll down. I even prefer you will see some coins that have longer use cases. I prefer coins that have longer use cases, right? Except maybe like in this case, in this case of COC, I've seen other things that I like about the coin, right? Which is why I'm going to be investing in it, even though the use case is not long, right? Ideally, ideally it is best when it has a long, like when it has a detailed use case. By use case, I mean what exactly did the developers intend for that coin to be used for, because it is when the coin has a use that people will be interested in getting it, right? So that is it, right? You can read everything about the coin here, right? You can read everything about the coin here. Okay, you can read everything about the coin here. Okay, so that's, like I said, it is the utility of a coin. What is it used for? What are people using the coin for? You find their contract address and so on. You can see the contract address here, right? The contract address on Ethereum network, and other links about that particular coin. Now let me tell you something. There's a difference between a coin and a token, right? A coin has all. Let's leave that though. Maybe in another video I'm going to tell you the difference between a coin and a token, right? A coin and a token. I think that will be all for now. Or maybe I should look at another coin. Maybe I should look at another coin, so that let's look at a coin known as NSBT. I think I saw it the other time. NSBT. So you can see what this coin has done before. Every coin has its own details, so you go over and look at. You can see the total supply. Wonderful. This coin is very, very good. This is also another coin you need to buy for the bull run. 2.83 million total supply, right? This coin, the highest it has gone is $76. If I'm not mistaken, if my eye is not paining me, this is $76, and the lowest it has been is 0.3. Now compare the lowest it has gone to the price it actually is now, 0.5. So you are not so far, you are not buying it so far from what the coin, from the lowest the coin has gone, which is 0.3. You are buying it at 0. That's if you buy it now. All right, aiming for $76, right? It can go more than that in the bull run. You never can tell. Nobody owns the market, right? But like I said, worst case scenario, let's say this coin does not get to 76, it gets to $30, or it gets to $40, or it gets to $35. Guess how much you must have multiplied your capital. I hope it's beginning to make sense now. All right, I hope it's beginning to make sense now. So I'll see you in the next video. Maybe we'll be talking about preventing wallet hacks. I think that should be the next thing. I will check the course outline and then make the video for that. Bye bye.